Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this orange warm summer glam with the Fury palette by Beauty Bay. Okay ladies, we're going to be starting off with the shade Acorn, and we're going to be using a big flat brush to apply this on this outer corner, and we're not going to be going above our crease. We're just going to stay in this area. And I did not set my base, you guys. Those of you that are new, I don't like to set it because I get the best pigment when it is wet. So now I'm also applying this in the inner area as well, you guys, and just make sure you apply it in tapping motions to get the best results, because it will set our base, giving us the best results with the pigment. And now I'm taking the brush and I'm gonna be going in small circular motions at the very top of the eyeshadow that we just applied. And what this is gonna do is kind of blend out that edge so that it starts to look smoky at the top. And now I'm going in with the shade Turmeric, and I'm just going to be applying this with a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to be going in small circular motions. This is like a yellowish tone. I really love the way it looked when it blended. These two shades together make like a light orange, you guys, and I loved it. So we're going to be applying this in this outer area on our crease in small circular motions. And if some of the shade Acorn starts to go away, you guys, it is totally fine. We're going to be applying some more later on. And I always recommend that you guys apply the eyeshadow in small amounts and then just start building up the intensity little by little, because that'll give you the best results with eyeshadow, because you don't want to put too much and then just, mess up the whole eye look because you can't fix it anymore. So it's always best to apply small amounts and then start applying more and more so that it can get more intense. And now I'm going to be going into this inner corner as well. We're taking this all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner in small circular motions. If you guys have any color suggestions for me, please let me know down in the comments below. I will do my best to create the looks that you guys want to see. And you guys, this is a process, so trust it and just go with it because it takes a while. So now I'm going back in with the shade Acorn, and I'm just going to be applying some more right here, and then I'm going to be blending it in circular motions onto the shade Turmeric. And now we're going in with the shade Maringe, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna be applying this on this outer area on my brow bone, basically. It's okay if it touches your eyebrows, you guys. It's totally fine. It's a very light shade, so we should be okay. And I'm using a big fluffy brush just to apply this in small circular motions and side to side motions, you guys. And I'm going back in with the shade Turmeric just to intensify it a little bit more and make sure it looks well blended. And I'm starting off in the outer corner and making my way towards the inner corner in small circular motions. Those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Emily. You guys remember to subscribe if you guys want to see some more makeup videos. I hope you guys enjoy this, and remember to leave a comment down below as well, you guys. This is kind of giving sunset vibes, and I'm really liking it, you guys. And you guys, also, when you're blending these shades, remember some of the bottom shades are gonna disappear, but we're always gonna apply some more and fix it, okay? So don't worry, don't panic, trust the process. Now I'm going back in again with the shade Acorn, and I'm just going to be intensifying this a little bit more and blending it out, you guys. Now I'm applying some more of the shade Maringe, and we're just going to be applying this on our brow bone again. You guys remember, it's pretty repetitive, I know. We're going to be going back and forth, applying some more and more and more. And I'm going back in with the shade Turmeric, and I'm just going to be intensifying that one again. And you guys, I recommend you go in circles, small circles always, because it's easier to fix than if you go side to side. But since I feel like I'm pretty skilled when it comes to blending like that, I usually just go side to side once in a while, and it's okay. But here we are applying our base. This one is from Glam, you guys. I really love this base, and I'm just using a flat brush to cut my crease. Oh my god, I used to use like concealer sometimes, or I used to use, what is it called? That foundation from Beauty Creations, because it was such a thick consistency. I used to use that foundation as like a base, but since I started using the Glam one, you guys, I never went back. Like, I did not have to clean the brown shade off to do this, and look at how nice it is applying and it's not changing the color. It's gonna look so good. I'm never going back. I highly recommend it, you guys. This is a really, really bomb base. And this is also the base I'm using for my lid. So I love it. And you guys, just take your time doing this because I know cutting your crease is not easy. If you guys want a specific tutorial on how to cut your crease, let me know in the comments below and I will make that video for you guys. So I'm not going to take this all the way to the outer corner. I kind of want to leave a little space. As you guys can see, it's not a full cut crease. It's just halfway right there. And then next we're going to be taking the shade Turmeric, and I'm just gonna be applying this on that area with a small flat brush, you guys. I do recommend you apply this carefully because you don't want to touch the other shades with this color. So we're just gonna be applying this in tapping motions, and it's okay if it looks a little bit patchy because we're gonna be applying another shade on top of it. And we're just gonna keep applying this all over that area where we applied our base. Okay, and once this shade is covered, we're going to be going in with the shade Tiger. And this is like a orangey glitter, and I'm just going to be applying this on top of that area. You guys, remember when you're applying a shimmery shade, this is a technique I like to do. I like to wet my brush. I spray it with a setting spray to wet the brush and then apply the shimmery shade wherever I want. So it just intensifies the eyeshadow a little bit more and makes it shinier. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of improvised because the other shade was very patchy, so I just decided to add some glitter on top. Okay, and next we're going to be taking the shade Acorn and we're going to be applying this on the outer corner and just in tapping motions, you guys. And I'm also taking the shade Turmeric and I'm going to be applying that right in front of it. And next I'm going to be applying the shade Soft with a small pencil brush on my brow bone. And we're also going to be using this on our inner corner, you guys, so don't put the color away. And now I'm taking my fluffy brush with the shade Maringe and I'm just going to be going over that outer area. And now I'm taking my Neutrogena makeup towel remover and I'm going to be removing all the excess powder that fell onto my face. And I'm also going to be sharpening up that outer area of my eye. This is why I like to do my eyeshadow first, you guys, before my foundation. And now I'm going in with the Armani mascara that they sent me. And I'm only going to be applying one coat of mascara because I'm going to be applying some falsies after this. And these lashes, you guys, they're actually from my website. They're called the Violeta lashes. You guys can purchase them in the link below in the description. And you guys, I really love this. Like I only use these eyelashes for my makeup tutorials, like all the time. They're my go-tos every day. And now I'm going in with the shade Acorn again, and I'm going to be going in with a small flat brush. And I'm just going to be applying this on my lower lashes. Very, very tightly though, you guys, because we did already set our foundation and I don't think you guys want any fallout that'll mess up the whole look. So now I'm going in with the shade Turmeric and I'm just going to be using this shade to blend out the other one in the lower lashes. It's just going to give it like a smoky effect. And now I'm going in with the shade Soft and I'm going to be applying this with the same pencil brush as earlier, like I mentioned, in the inner corner, you guys. This is my favorite part because I feel like these areas really brighten up the eye at the end. And now I'm going in with my ColourPop eyeliner and I'm just going to be applying this on my waterline carefully. You guys, I really like this eyeliner because it's really creamy, but I think I'm gonna have to switch it up because this eyeliner, I feel like it smears really bad in that inner corner of my eye and I hate it. And it's crazy because my eyes aren't even watery or anything and it still smears, so I don't really recommend it. And now I'm going in with my Armani mascara again and I'm just gonna be applying 3 coats of this mascara. The other ones I'm gonna be applying it off camera. And yeah, ladies, that is the finishing look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're new, remember to subscribe so you guys can watch some more makeup tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching. Comment the word orange if you watched all the way through. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.